Hello, this is another video about content and all the content that needs to go into your presentation. But in particular, I want to focus on message. Now, message is different to topic. Your message is about what you really want to say about the topic of your presentation. And I think it's quite an important difference. A lot of people will just look at the list of information they need to impart. But what do you actually want the audience to do with all that information that you are imparting? Do you need to change their thinking on something? Do you need to change their behavior on something? That is what your message is all about. The message is the big picture, the big idea. Now, there's a reason why TED Talks and TEDx Talks are all about ideas worth spreading, because actually ideas are what tend to resonate with people and help them to change their thinking and behavior. So you've got to think about your message in terms of what you actually want people to take away. And I would go to really into that and think, if people remember one thing, one message from my presentation, what do I want it to be? And chances are it's not a particular stat or a particular instruction. You want them to remember something higher level. Maybe you actually want them to be moved, to be inspired. That's going to be the form of your message. So try to get away from starting your presentation with just what are the bits of information I want to communicate, and think instead, what's my message? I'd repeat, if people are going to remember one thing, what's that going to be? And start to build your presentation around that. It's going to make it far more coherent, it'll make it more impactful, and ultimately will make it more effective. The other thing that your message needs to tap into are your objectives for the presentation, and that's the topic of the next video.